Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Mira Mushtaq and I welcome you to this virtual studio, the Reflection Room. Today we will explore an inspiring TED Talk by Reshma Sujani. The title of the TED Talk is Teach Girls Bravery, Not Perfection. So, in this TED Talk, Reshma shares her powerful message about encouraging girls to be courageous, to take risks, and embrace imperfection as a part of the growth. So, I will break down the key ideas, lesson, and insight from her TED Talk and share why this message is so important for all of us. Let's dive in. But before going to review this TED Talk, I want to share a short biography of the speaker. Reshma Sujani is an American lawyer, activist, author, and a social leader who works to support girls and women around the world. She is best known as the founder of Girls Who Code, a global non-profit that helps girls and young women learn computer sciences and enter technology fields aiming to close the gender gap in tech. In addition, Reshma started Moms First, formerly called the Marshall Plan for Moms, a movement focused on fair support for mothers, including childcare, paid leave, and better work conditions. Before she became a movement builder, Reshma trained as a lawyer and worked in public services. In 2010, she became the first Indian American woman to run for US Congress. Her talk, Teach Girls Bravery, Not Perfection, inspires millions by encouraging girls to take risks and embrace courage instead of always aiming for perfection. She is also a New York Times best-selling author for books like Brave, Not Perfect, and Pay Up, The Future of Women and Work. Reshma lives in New York City with her husband and two sons. So let's move to the review of the TED Talk of Reshma, and the TED Talk with the title that said that teach girls bravery, not perfection. What is the core message or what the speaker want to say in this TED Talk? She explained that society teaches girls to be perfect rather than brave, and this affects how they live, how they learn, and how they take on challenges. She says that from a young age, girls are encouraged to get everything right and be perfect. Boys are encouraged to take risks, make mistakes, and be brave. This difference in how we raise girls and boys create what she calls a bravery deficit, meaning girls are less likely to take risks, try new things, or go after big opportunities, or cross their borders, or cross their boundary lines because they fear of failure or they think they must be perfect first. Reshma shared her own story. She ran for Congress even when many said it was a bad idea. And that was the first truly brave thing she had done because she wasn't focused on being perfect. She also talks about her work with Girls Who Code, a program she started to help girls learning code. Coding is full of trial and error. You try, you fail, then you again try and you learn and try again. And this helps girls build courage because they learn that imperfection is part of the learning process. What are the my key takeaways from this TED talk? Is that being brave is more important than being perfect because perfection often holds people back, especially girls, from trying things they are unsure about. Bravery helps them grow and learn. Second thing is the fear of failure limits opportunity. Girls are less likely to take risks, like applying for a job, unless they meet all the requirements because they want to be perfect. This fear stops them from reaching their potential. My third key takeaway is girls should be encouraged to take risks early. When girls are supported in taking chances, even when they might fail, They build confidence and resilience, which prepares them for life and leadership. My fourth takeaway, key takeaway is imperfection is part of success. Learning something like coding teaches that mistakes are normal and necessary. You learn more by trying and failing than by waiting to be perfect. So, the main message of the speaker is that don't teach girls to be perfect, teach them to be brave. Let them take risks, try and fail, and learn to keep going. So, this talk inspires us to rethink how we raise and support girls so they grow up confident, courageous, and ready to take on big challenges. This is my reflection on the TED Talk of Reshma Sujani. If you want to say or share anything or any idea or any point of learning with me, you can comment in the comment box of Facebook and LinkedIn. I will try to respond all your comments. I will come again with my this spiritual studio, the reflection room, with another TED talk or any other thing, and I will daily come to review TED talk for your learning and for my learning. So keep in touch, and you should like my video, share my video, um, because your support help me to create more valuable content like this. Till then, take care yourself. I will come again, and Allah Hafiz. Take care.